Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. XL Bariatric 35 stone 24-hour leather-faced manager chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gas strut cover, 5 casters, 4 45mm bolts, 4 bolt caps, 2 Allen keys, and 4 36mm bolts which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the smaller Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Next, lay the backrest down and place the seat pad on top like this. Using the 4 45mm bolts, line up the arms and attach to the seat and backrest. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Unfold the chair and line up the bracket at the base of the backrest with the holes at the back of the seat. Use the 4 36mm bolts to secure. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, turn the chair the right way up and lift it onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, insert the 4 bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new XL Bariatric 24-hour leather-faced manager chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.